Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the pink stuff. This is the Miracle Cleaning Paste. I have been seeing it all over the internet and I decided to pick it up and test it out. The pink stuff is a mild abrasive paste cleaner. It has 99% natural ingredients. It is environmentally non-toxic. So this video is going to be a mix of some deep cleaning in areas that I really wanted to use the paste and really see how it fully cleans, and then some areas that are more just like quick testing so you guys can see whether it worked or not. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right in. So you guys, I let my bathtub get super dirty. For the purpose of this video, I wanted to really test it out with some bathtub scum and grime and all of that. So I'm just kind of showing you around my bathtub. There's some really dirty areas. I try to show you the best I can because it is on camera and I feel like you could see it more in real life than on camera, but there are some areas here, and then we are going to also test it not only on the bathtub, but on the wall where I had some markings, and then also on the shower glass door. So what you're going to want to do is apply it using a soft, damp cloth, a sponge, or a pad. Right here, I'm just going ahead and using a sponge. So then you're going to go ahead and rub it in a circular motion before rinsing it off with clean water. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and polish it with a clean, dry towel. So far I've only done one side of the bathtub. I wanted to show you the difference. So we have that clean side and then the other side is still dirty. And then I'm gonna go back in and completely clean the whole tub. So as you can see, it did get that bathtub dirty ring out. I love it for this area. I'm definitely going to keep reusing it inside of my bathtub. Recently, I went ahead and put up a shower caddy in my shower, and I accidentally marked up my wall. And that's a user error on my part, but I've been trying to get it out with a cloth and multi-surface cleaner and all of that, and it just wasn't coming off. So I thought I scratched it and it was done. It was over. It was going to be there forever. I decided to go ahead and use the paste on there. I just put a little blob on, rubbed it in a circular motion, then went in with my cloth. Then when I was done doing that, I wiped it clean and it was completely gone. So I was really, really happy about that. I've been seeing that you can use this like on your walls or different marks around your house. So I will say that it did work for that. So yes, I did this backwards. I should have done my glass door before the bottom of my tub, but that is fine. I did clean it after this video. So I am going in on the shower glass door because I have read that you can clean glass with it. And you know your glass door gets all of that soap residue and water stains on it that are just so tough to get out. So we're gonna see if it actually works on the glass door, because this is definitely a tougher area to clean when there is a lot of buildup. Okay, you guys, I know you see the results. So here's the before. This is the bottom half. I only cleaned the top half so you guys can kind of see and have a reference. Look at the top half. So clean, so good. I love it for the glass door. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest. Now we're going to go ahead and try it on my grout. This is one of the areas that a lot of people said they like to use it on. I'm just starting out by vacuuming my floor to get up all of the dirt and stuff, and then we're going to go ahead and put the paste down. So I decided to go ahead and just put it on one strip there. We're going to see if there is a difference. So this little tool that I'm using, this brush tool, is actually from Amazon. You don't have to use that. You can use an old toothbrush. I couldn't find my old cleaning toothbrush, so I just went ahead and used that. So I went ahead and scrubbed it really good, and then using that sponge just to kind of continue to clean it because I wasn't seeing any difference. And then I go ahead and wipe it with my cloth. You guys, it is not the color of my grout. At first I was like, why isn't this looking any different? And I thought maybe I'm not cleaning it long enough. And I even tried using my Rubbermaid electric scrubber brush, and that didn't work. And this isn't the color of my grout. This is actually the color of my grout, and I have yet to find a product that actually gets it back to this color. So let me know if you have any tips. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but for me personally, I just wasn't a fan of using the paste on my grout. Next, I wanted to try it on my stainless steel bathroom faucet. It does say not to use it on shiny stainless steel, but a lot of people said they use it on their stainless steel and it's been working, and I kind of seen their results. So I gave it a try, tested it out for us, and I used it on there, and I really like the results. So for long-term purposes, I don't know if it's good or bad. I'll have to do some more research for you guys, but I do like how it got all of the water stains up, and it did make it look nice and shiny and clean. Okay, another exciting area. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out on my oven glass door, also inside my oven, and then on top of my glass stove. So after using my cloth and my sponge, there were still some little burns on there on the glass. So I went ahead and grabbed one of my little cleaning brush tools that I have and started using that on there. Yay, it worked. I love how the glass door looks. A lot of you guys over on Instagram said you love using it in your oven. So next we're gonna go ahead and use it inside my oven, but I'm really happy with these results. So another area that had amazing results, there's a few little burn marks that I had to put in a little elbow grease and scrub really hard, but other than that, I really do like the results. So now we're gonna go ahead and use the pink stuff on my glass stove. You can see I had a lot of burn marks here. So you just wanna make sure that you go very gentle on this. You wanna make sure you're being careful and using a non-scratch pad. You wanna also make sure when you are done using this product on your glass stove that you completely wipe it off. So I wanted to go ahead and use a microfiber cloth first to use it on the glass stove. I guess I was just kind of nervous adding the abrasive and a sponge, but that wasn't really working. So I went ahead and wiped it clean, seen what I had left to scrub out, and went ahead and used a sponge. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the difference. On the left side, you can see how there's that burn mark all the way around. I didn't clean that area at all. And then you can see on the right side where I clean that most of it is cleaned up, but there's still a lot of those burn marks that I just could not get out no matter how hard I tried. So now we're gonna use the paste on my burned pan. I did clean the pan really quick. I'm gonna use something softer, another soft sponge, microfiber cloth, just so we don't scratch our pan. So I'm kind of showing you the before right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean it, and then I'll show you the after. Okay, so this was a success. It got all of the burn marks from the bottom of the pan, and then it also got the rust off of the stainless steel. So I'm loving the results. So next we're gonna go ahead and test the paste out on these tennis shoes here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you one side where I clean it with the paste and then the other side so you guys can see the full effect. Okay, so now that we cleaned the shoes, you guys seen it did clean the shoes. Now we're gonna go ahead and work on my baseboard. I also have some marks on the wall above here, so I wanted to go ahead and put the paste there and see how it cleans. Yes, my baseboards need to be repainted. I know I will get around to it soon for sure. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and just test the product on the baseboard so I can show you guys how it works. And then in the future video, I will take the time and go ahead and clean the rest of my baseboards with the paste. All right, you guys, here's the before and here is the after. I really enjoyed making this video today for you guys, and it was really fun testing this out around my house. I'm really excited to continue to use this cleaning paste. It definitely worked in a lot of areas. If you use this paste anywhere in your house, let us know some of the areas you like to clean with it. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. If you guys can share this video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you are new. I would love that, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.